Hi, my name's Phil and welcome to Festool TV UK. Today I'd like to introduce to you the subject of lippings. Lippings are available as plastics but also as solid timber, and these can be applied to many different types of substrates, for example to chipboard, to plywood and to MDF. Using a stationary machine to apply lipping to a straight edge works very well. So for this example here, which is melamine face chipboard, on a straight edge, really good. Where they can run into problems sometimes is with external and also internal radiuses to achieve a perfect edge. But also, if you come to working on large pieces of chipboard, such as this worktop, and you need to apply lipping onto a bevel, you need a machine which can, again, apply this easily and cleanly and successfully, but also create really good finish as well. So on this example I have here, on this radius, I can achieve the perfect edge, and that's what we'll show you next. Okay, so now we have part of the perfect edge system in front of us. We have the Vaxis underneath to hold my workpiece secure, and on top, the Conturo KA65, the edge bander from Festool. And with this machine, I can apply an edging onto this radius very simply and easily, just by adjusting the machine to suit the application that I'm going to be using it for. So on top here, the green button, if I press this on one occasion, it means the edging can be fed in and is then prepared. If I press it again, the edging is then put through with the adhesive applied, and then I just work the way around with the Conturo KA65. Lippings are available in different widths, but we need to adjust this plate according to the width of the lipping that we're using. And this is done very easily just by turning the adjustment wheel clockwise or anti-clockwise, and I can then feed in my lipping. And I just want it to move in a little bit, and then it's set. However, innovation with this machine is part of Festool, and we use these small glue tablets into the Conturo KA65. This means that we only use a certain amount of glue and no more. So we just heat enough glue for the application that's required. And on top here, the display is clear and easy to use, so I can set the machine no matter what type of application I'm using it for, or even how quick I would like to work. So my next stage is to press the green button, and then we feed the lipping in, and then we're ready. So now we can start to work towards the perfect edge. So now the Conturo KA65 has applied the edging, we now need to trim the overhang. One of the accessories that are available can trim this overhang flush with the substrate material that the edging has been applied to. And all we need to do is to flip this over the side, pull towards myself, and then bring the two clamps together, and we can then trim the edge nice and flush. Okay, so now that the edges have been trimmed down and the overhang has been removed, we need to trim the edging down flush surface with the material that we were applying the edging to. And so the OFK 700 is perfect for this. And in here, we have a 2mm radius cutter. So we apply the extraction unit, and then we put in the plug-it cord, and now we're ready to trim the edging. So the final stage towards our perfect edge is just to take away this small lip that's left. And for that we can use the scraper, again one of the accessories from the range within Festool. And to use this we can just find where there may be a small lip. We can push this down to the surface and just gently take away anything that's left around, that's left on top. On the radius you have a 1 or 2 millimetre, and we can draw the scraper back over the top edge. And this means it gives us a small rounding on there and takes any sharp edges away. They're the steps towards achieving the perfect edge from Festool. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next presentation.